days to come. Good health always. Kahibalo ko ma'am, happy ka kaayo karon sa imong birthday kay kasama nimo imong mga mahal sa buhay. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mom. God bless you always.
Hey, Ma'am Angel May. Happy birthday po and God bless.
Happy birthday po.
Enjoy your day po. Enjoy your vacation and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday! Mabuhay! Love you!
Angel May, happy birthday! More birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy!
Angel May, happy birthday to you and many more birthdays to come and good health always and happy po to see you na love kayo ng family. Happy birthday! God bless you more, mama!
Hello! Happy birthday, Pariente, Angel May, Visayan, America. Wishing you the best, and I know you're so happy because you're with your family.
Hello, Miss Angel May. Happy birthday. I wish you good health always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Angeline May, Bisaya. I know you're so happy to celebrate your birthday because you are here in the Philippines together with your family, friends, cousins, and with your loved ones. More years to celebrate, more blessings, more happiness, more love to each other. I'm so proud of you, Mom, as a content creator. I like the way you dance. That's true. Enjoy your special day. We love you so much from TL family.
Hi, Angel May. I want to greet you happy birthday and wishing you more years to come, more years to celebrate.
Hello, Ma'am Angel May. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health always. God bless.
Angel May, happy birthday. Thank you sa pang-birthday. Ikaw pa nagkana mo. Namangka. Dapat.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Angel May, Bisaya American. God bless always, Ma'am. And thank you sa treat na mo last time. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to Ma'am Angel May. More birthdays to come. Cheers for more years to celebrate. Enjoy your special day here in Pinas. God bless us all. I love you.
Hello, Mom Angel May. Happy birthday. Stay pretty and Team Loyal, love you always.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Angel May. Wish you more good health and prosperous year ahead of you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Angel ng Team Loyal. We love you.
Enjoy and God bless.
Hello, Angel May. Thank you sa imong birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday to you.